Uniform Commercial Code. Here's where you gotta pull your pen out. Okay, Uniform Commercial Code. Quick review. See this little booklet? You see me carrying this booklet around all the time. The pages are falling out. This is all 9 articles of the Uniform Commercial Code. Okay? Created by the National Council of Commissioners on Uniform State Laws. A council of lawyers wrote this. Okay? It started in 1892 with, it was a passage of uniform state laws. They wanted to try to get into a mode where they could have some standard of law that was uniform amongst all the states dealing with commerce. So right now, every state in the United States of America has passed this entire 9 articles into their state statutes. Now what does that mean? I didn't say state codes, I said state statutes. That means that this is de jure law in all of the 50 republics. Okay? Why did they want that to happen? It's because all of your transactions that you think are based on something else are based on this. Every transaction that you're doing, every contract, I don't care what it is based on this. All of it. So if you know this, you will know how to interface with this thing. If you don't, you're going to have some problems. So, I don't know if you can get this. You can get this online anymore. Yeah, you can still get it? Okay. Portable UCC. Ramos can tell you where to get this offline at. You need to get a copy. Amazon.com. Amazon.com. You can get this and read it. Okay? Now, dealing with the UCC, you have to understand what you're actually dealing with when you're dealing with commerce. You have 2 things, and we went over this, I believe, 2 weeks ago, that are important to you. Your status at law and your status in commerce. Your status at law is your nationality. You only have 2 areas that covers. One as an Aboriginal, one as a national or one of the republics. Okay? Those are your statuses at law. Your status in commerce tells how you are operating in trust. Okay? Whether you're the trustor, which we call debtor. Okay? Whether you are the beneficiary, which we call creditor or secure party, or whether you're the trustee, which is the middleman or the middlewoman who are acting for the secure party and the debtor. That's it. That's all you're dealing with in all your transactions. Trustor, beneficiary, and trustee. Or trustor, trustee, beneficiary. All right? Trustor, debtor. Trustee, middleman, middlewoman. Beneficiary, creditor. That's all we're dealing with. If somebody wanted to teach you civics, they could teach you civics in 4 hours. One subject, and you understand everything that's going on in the United States. That means you can get your PhD in 4 hours. If they were honest about what's going on. Now, if you want a whole lot of fluff, then you got to go through a whole bunch of it. And I got to make it sound like you got to take 4 years, 6 years, and then you get your Juris Doctorate degree, and you don't know a damn thing. So we can blow people away in 4 hours. You should see some of the people who actually get this information who are lawyers and what they say. We had a brother who told Kendi, what did he tell him? If what you're saying is true, then everything that I have learned over the last 30 years is a lie.
And that's correct. That's correct.
That's heartbreaking for some people. You know what I mean? If you're a lawyer and you got all these accolades and you went all these places and all this and that, and somebody come with their little UCC book out, and you don't know nothing. First you got to come to grips with, okay, what the hell is really going on? That's hard. Just think about that. Somebody come telling you, man, you don't know nothing about nothing. Let me show you. You think you know electricity? Watch this. So, what I'm saying is that civics makes the understanding commerce very easy. All right. So, you're dealing with UCCs. First thing comes up is the UCC financing statement, right? What is it? Well, the purpose of the financing statement is to list who is a creditor, secure party, or a debtor. All right. You list the parties. You have a UCC-1 form All states have the same form. And the form is based on Article 9. Article 9 deals with secured transactions. It's the most important article in the UCC. It deals with secure transactions. Another statement or name for that is a security interest. A lien. That's all you're dealing with. A lien is on goods or property. All right. Now the property becomes collateral. As we said a few weeks ago, the people have been turned into goods. That's why they call it capitalism, because the people are capital. So when you anybody's filling out a UCC1 financing statement, they're listing themselves as a creditor or a secure party, somebody else as a debtor, and they have a contract that is called the security agreement. That's it. Okay. So when you make contracts with people, you go get a car, you go get that car,